Hey everybody. Okay, today we are going to change the air filter in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. This is an extremely easy procedure. So here is where our air filter is based here, and there will be two clips holding it. So one is right here, and that one I've actually taken apart, but basically you just unclick it, and then the same thing goes for the one back here. Just unclick it. Alright, and it's really windy out here, so this is like the third time I've had to make this video because it keeps okay, so this one surprisingly after a year isn't too bad. But I did get the premium SPF air filter just because the durability does last a bit longer, and you'll be surprised of how much gas mileage you will actually get from using a brand new air filter slash a premium one. So all we're doing, just switching spots here, putting this one in. Okay, line them up. Okay, line them up. Okay, and here they one click, and now for the other one. You can see in the back here, should be able to push down and hear the click right there. That's it. So the air filter is essential for letting the engine breathe, and it will also help you for your miles per gallon while you're driving on the road. So I recommend changing this at least once a year. And if you're going to change this, then just change it with change it while you're changing the oil as well. So just makes it easier. It's just like, okay, let's just do them both at the same time. So right now, this is the engine filter, obviously. So right now, I'm not too concerned with the cabin filter. So we're just going to do one thing at a time here. I'll put a link in the description because I'm sure I can find this cheaper on Amazon than you will at, like, say a Pep Boys or something like that. So, but yeah. And the other plus with this car is it has this barrier here. Now with this barrier, what it does is if any kind of leaves, whatever it may be, there is actually a rubber barrier here that will stop it from reaching the engine. So, and the engine leaves are basically, they're almost like the death of the engine. So this is an amazing feature for this car. But yeah, that's it. It's really that simple. So yeah, just do some random stuff here, clean this crap out if I can. But yeah, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. I highly recommend using the Hyundai brand just in general. So yep, Hyundai Tucson saved my life, and now this Hyundai Elantra is a manual 6-speed, which mainly average around 35 miles per gallon, and on the highway, I can do anywhere up to 50. So, but yeah, that's about it. So Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching. Hope this helps somebody. I know we all don't have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, but this one's quite nice because there's actually a lot more manual things to do instead of computer oriented. So alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.